This video explains how to buy shares of Ultra Clean Holdings Inc., often searched as How to Buy Shares of Ultra Clean Holdings Inc. Ultra Clean is a supplier of manufacturing services and components to the semiconductor industry. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker UCTT, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy UCTT, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as a step-by-step example. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker UCTT to bring up matching results. Select the listing that shows Ultra Clean Holdings Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker UCTT so you are on the right listing. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and submit the order to confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A non-promotional example eToro link is available in the description if you want to follow the same process.